make sure that you don't fall victim to any of these things that I'll be talking about in this video. So YouTube is coming up with a new update. When I saw this update, I did not know how I felt because I did not understand the concept to it, So you would be able to post shorts that are 3 minutes long from on the 25th, and this comes with a lot of things. So when you're posting shorts that are 3 minutes long, there are things that you need to be avoiding. There are things you should not do. So before I talk about these things, I'm just going to let you know that when it comes to YouTube bringing new things into their platform, they like to experiment with it. So the people who jump on it first actually have a lot of advantage because they'll probably get a lot of views or a lot of subscribers. But you guys know how I feel about shorts. I've spoken about my experience, and I've also given you guys disadvantages of posting shorts, especially if you are a long form content creator. I'm going to put that video here. If you have not seen it, make sure to watch it. So the audience that watch YouTube shorts and long form videos are two different ones. It's only a small percentage of people that actually watch both, and people who watch shorts actually have very short span of attention. So imagine taking your time to film a 3 minutes short video and then they don't have the patience to watch. I don't know if these people are going to really watch 3 minutes videos because they're just scrolling and getting entertained by different shots. So I don't know how effective this is going to be, but I know that I'm not really going to jump on this trend because I have my experience with shorts, like I said, and I've spoken about it. So if you want a long form growth, I don't think shorts is the way to go. But if it is something you want to experiment on your own, why not go ahead? I'm just going to tell you the reason why I feel like it is not the best. So when it comes to the revenue between shorts and long form video, the margin is very, very high. The gap is so large. Short, you get to earn peanuts from shorts, and before you even start earning from shorts, it takes a lot. You have to have 10 million views before you are able to earn from shorts, and then the payment there is peanuts. You don't earn properly. Make sure that you're not doing any of these things from on the 25th of October. If your short is 60 seconds to 3 minutes long, make sure you are staying away from copyrighted music because they are going to block that video and your video is not going to be shown to anybody because of that copyrighted song. So I understand the concepts with this because some musics are actually 3 minutes long. So imagine using a copyrighted song in your 3 minutes video. You have succeeded in using all the artist's song there, and I don't think any artist would be happy about that. So I understand why YouTube is not going to allow people to use any songs on their shorts. I know that you could use any song before, but from on the 25th, stay away from copyrighted songs. And another thing you need to know is that any video that is less than 3 minutes to 3 minutes long is going to be treated as shorts. So even if you record, I think even if you record your videos in a horizontal form, if it is 3 minutes and less, it is going to be treated as shorts. So you want to make sure that you're filming long form videos that are more than 3 minutes long. And another thing that you need to know is that every video that is filmed in a vertical form like this is going to be treated as shorts, but your videos that you already have would not be treated as shorts. So this is going to take effect from on the 25th. So make sure that you're not filming in this way. Make sure you're filming in a horizontal way, in the normal YouTube filming ratio. Posting a 3 minutes video requires a lot of work, so I don't think I want to put in so much work into creating 3 minutes video to just be posted as shorts. I'd rather create a 4 minutes video or more and give value to the people who are watching me. So I really don't know how the 3 minutes video is going to work. I don't know if it is going to be great because from my experience, shorts are not like the best way to grow your channel for a long form advantage and benefit. So if you want to really get the value and get the reward for your work, posting long form video is the best way to go. I have explained this. You can go back to watch that video on what I think about shorts If you found this video helpful, please let me know in the comment section. Subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.